like me? Don't you like me? Don't you like me? Okay. Shaton. Look at me, Shaton. Oh. Yes, dito kami ngayon sa bye-bye. So, ma-practice kami doon sa throwing. Kasi sa Friday, meron na unit-unit. Yung kasama ko dito, yung mga maganda kong mga kaibigan. Basi, may mga kursunada. Kananda ka dyan, ha? They are available. Are you available?
No.
Hindi pa sila available. Kay minor pa na sila. Ha? Oh, you are already taken? Oh, really?
Take out.
So when are you getting to get married?
Oh, maybe someday.
Getting married someday. So you're not yet prepared. So we are here in the coastal area because of the practice for the throwing event. This is just a practice.
I want to see the guy that I love.
Huh? You are what? You are what?
I want to see the guy that I love the most.
I want to see the guy that you love most.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's not
What is your ideal man?
tall guy.
Yeah. What is your ideal guy?
Tall guy.
Tall guy, white guy,
Rich.
and long guy.
Rich.
Rich. You want a long guy?
No.
Long and tall.
No.
Don't you want the small one?
No, I don't.
You don't want. So you want tall one guy, the rich guy, and the white guy.
Yeah.
I see. What else you really like?
Personality.
Personality. What
Yeah, I
what
like the flirty
what do you want to the what kind of personality? What kind of what kind of personality you want?
Maybe
Pleasing
a
personality.
kind person.
What else? Caring,
Loving.
loving.
Maybe flirted
How can you explain? What? What kind of guy? What's an awesome you here in the coastal area? Huh?
Flirty guy.
What?
A flirty guy.
A flirty guy, but
Yeah.
not too much.
Yeah.
Ah, that's fantastic.
Loyal.
And what else?
Loyal.
Loyal.
Good dancer.
Good dancer.
A macho dancer.
A macho dancer.
Muscles.
Ay, look at the clouds, so amazing. Oh my goodness. So you can see the boat here. The people is having the fishing during the summer season or any season suitable for fishing. So this is the coastal area here. Awesome and beautiful view. And together with my friends here, the contestant there is practicing. Is there any fish? Meron ba isda dyan? Ano hinanap mo dyan? Ha? Is there a budol? Okay, you mean the jellyfish, the budol. Okay. Ang ganda dito langga. So they are my clients. It's practicing. I like the view here. Awesome. Relaxing sound of the seawater. Really amazing and relaxing here. So there's a high tide right now. The water is calm. So ayan ang mga langga dito ako sa coastal area. So nagbabantay sa mga bata ako nag-practice. Ayan o.
May bilog, grabe.
Nag-practice yan siya.
Pwede ka man lumibot sa bilog. Kung ka
Ayan.
maglibot, kung
So ayan, dito lang nag-practice. Shout out and yan, shout out to all of you. Yan. So, practicing the discus throw. Dito yan. And I live here. I love this place. Peaceful and relaxing. Yes, and people can also proceed to fishing. They are industrious enough. They can have fish. Some of the people here are fishermen. Fishing is some source of livelihood. It's like this one. Kaya panapuntis ang people. This is it. Shout out to my vlog. Pala na ka mo. Upload ko sa YouTube ba? Upload ko sa YouTube. Ang ganda ng kuha niya lang ga. As in. You look so fantastic. Ito yung practice namin dito as it's javelin. Ito naman yung discus. Yeah.
Sexy, pang gaboy. iPhone na rin, sir. Samsung. Ako kay sir, cherry mobile. Service na lang anay ta. Okay, ben ng tuhod. God! Magbasa ako makapagparoon.
Unat lapak atis yung bagsak ano.
Yawan, magkapagulan niya, maglapaw.
Una lapak at bagsak ng ano yung discuss. Hindi ko naman baka dire.
Lampang ko, hindi ko rin ako. Ura unit mo ito siya. Ura unit mo may dyan ang bali, sir. Sir yan eh. Opo, limang puro. May dyan.
Diba? Ito ko po ganyan sa talinga mo?
Tama ko tindog, ako tanga hindi.
Ano na ka? Bistay mo na ano ko niya.
Pagkita ko pa rin mo, ano.
Ako na kaduha-duha. Ito ba ito ba ang parang?
Good. That's the throwing event. So for my throwing event, we have this javelin throw, discus throw, and shot put. Daki-daki, kamusta ka mo diri? Mo nalipay gid si Daki-daki. Wow. You're so beautiful. Bye. Oh, awesome. Tama diya pa to. Magpista. Imon, kamu patutin. Shout out sa iyo. Yes, do you like to eat?
Yes.
You want some?
Yeah.
I will You want some of this? Gusto mo kaan? Tagaan ta kaya? Sino ganing ngalan mo?
Ben.
Ben. Ben, kay ikaw ang pinaka-cute ka nakita ko sa dalan. Get one slice. Get one slice, Ben. Kau yun ka man, picha. Na, get one slice. I give you one slice. Okay. Kau yun ka, picha.
Yeah.
Okay, magbugto ka pang isa. Wala na, ikaw na lang.
Mm.
Yan, mambal mo, Ben. Kaya kita ka, kapitsa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, Ben. Din nyo balay?
Yeah.
Sige kan, Ana. Yum. Namit man. Bye-bye, Ben.
Bye.
Kagwapo nga bata.
Albo katabayan, ma-vlog kaliwat sir.
Yes, of course. So, kain po kami dito ng Boko Pie. Ito yung mga players namin. Shout out mga anak. Tapos, Coca-Cola for our snacks. Basta isa, duro ng eskulahan.
Huli ka, hindi para sir.
Hindi para no. So, mag-soft drinks muna kami dito, mga langga. Dito kami ngayon.
Hi, hello.
Hi, shout out mga langga.
Shout out.
Sige. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's eat.
It's time to
Okay. Okay, mag-unbox na po tayo ng Boko Pie. Tsaka kain na po tayo. Ay, nasabayan sa sobrang tamis. Okay, kuha na po kayo. Oh, sige na. Langga, dali ron. Shaton, huwag ka mahiya ah. Huwag mahiya mga langga. Shaton, dali. Ibigyan mo ng upuan si Shaton. Ay, langga. Ayan, dali na. Buksan mo na kasi ikaw yung pinakamalakas. Pinakamalakas. You-open the, no? You-open the Coca-Cola.
KKB yan na, alalahanin nyo.
KBL.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Ayan, hello.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
And welcome to our vlog. Okay, sige po tangin na. Ako na. Oh,
Pero ano
ako
yung
muna.
viewers, sir?
Viewers. And the entire channel reaches already 1 million.
Na all. Ang viewers. Mayabang si sir.
Mayaman din naman. Legit malangga.
Ako tanagin, ko lang, delete ko ng akong YouTube. Pero kalabanan nag-ano, sa akin si Cledesma. Sana all ba? Manamuot ito naman ah. Cledesma.
Be.
Yan, sarap ng Coca-Cola.
Tamang tigla.
Shut down.
Napapabugtaw na, wala katulog.
Ganda ng ano. Hanggang. Huwag mo kain tayo. Cheers! Coca-Cola kami dito. Ay,
Para sa atin ka ba rin?
para sa athletes na cook yung aming natagay dito. Sarap. Ano vlog? Video? I kasi are here in school, so our students are practicing here for the incoming unit meet on Friday. So they can able to prepare their physical activity and to improve their strength and endurance during the games. So watch up on Friday because it's the highlight of the